But in this next story, one is tempted to ask, can the dead just rest? A South African court is expected to rule on Friday, which is today, in a dispute over the final resting place of former President of Zambia, Edgar Lungu. The matter is before the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, following a legal tussle between the Zambian government and Lungu's family. And while the family insists he should be buried in South Africa, where he passed away in June, the Zambian government maintains that his remains should be repatriated and laid to rest at Embassy Park in Lusaka, the designated burial ground for former heads of state. Quite a drama. Well, News Central's Bongani Siziba has been following this story closely, and she joins us now for the latest development. Bongani, if you can hear me.
Afternoon to you, Blessings, and also our viewers at home. Indeed, we are waiting for that significant judgment from the Pretoria, the legal battle is unfolding that could determine the final resting place of the former Zambian President Edgar Lungu. The Gauteng High Court is set to deliver that judgment later today. The dispute between Zambian government and the Lungu's family. As you might know, Blessings, over the past months, the Lungu's family has been residing here in South Africa, and their presence they also acquired property, but their presence has not been without controversy. You may recall that earlier the incident at Waterkloof Air Base, where us, the media, the South African official government, with guard of honor, waited for hours for the body and for the repatriation of the Lungu's body, and the family, they did not turn up. That was a dignified preparation send-off by the South African government scheduled there, but questions were raised, tensions, that why did they not come. But we also covered a memorial service that was meant for burial later, that was halted by the Zambian government when they filed that interdict that brought us today, while we wait for that judgment whether the body will be repatriated back to Zambia for burial, or will the family have it to bury him here in South Africa. Blessings.
All right, thank you for the update, Bongani Siziba.